Welcome back, guys. Hope you enjoyed today's Truckers Only video.
And this was the FedEx from this morning. I'm doing 70, 71. He keeps speeding up and slowing down. See, I'm doing 69, 70. He speeds up, slows down. Speeds up, slows down. You can see the guy behind me flashing his lights if you look hard enough. I'm going down the hill, so I'm 71 on it. And I knew he was going to be an idiot. I knew he was going to brake check me. That's why I moved over and flashed him. I knew what he was going to do. And I dropped all the way down to like 55, 60. Yeah, 55 miles an hour because I'm trying to avoid him. He's a freaking idiot. Here I paused. It's show you what it's in the road. This couple was walking their dog on the shoulder of the road and it broke free. And his Jeep decided to stop oncoming traffic to save this dog. He almost pushed that truck in the median. He's pushing cars in the median. Please, do not walk your animals on the shoulders of interstates. Let your dog go to the bathroom in your car if he can't hold it to the next exit. Do not, please, do not.
Ебанутый ты, блядь!
He's changing lanes behind this other driver. And he's mostly in the car, in his own lane, and boom. Yeah. That black car just passed 2 semi-trucks in the grass. That guy was probably within 8 feet of me. It didn't even look. See, I'm doing 71. That guy's probably 40 feet in front of me. I would have been front and center of this wreck if Prime would have hit the dude. Yeah. Good job, Amazon Prime. Close to me, you can look at the date, 3/31. And here's this tractor trailer I showed before, passing me in the end of a turn zone, maybe 8 feet ahead of me. Coming up, this is getting on 485 in Charlotte. This dude, I thought for sure hit me.
Really?
And FedEx is like, nope, I'm coming over. See, I was doing 69 down to 55.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.